Are you an entrepreneur or a business professional who feels weighed down by stress, worry, and frustration? Those racing thoughts can steal your focus and joy. And even though you know something needs to change, you are unsure how. You are likely familiar with the Serenity prayer. Grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change, courage to change the things I can, and wisdom to know the difference. I created the Serenity Playbook, a simple, proven method that is the how-to guide for the Serenity prayer. One of my favorite movies, The Karate Kid, showcases the premise in the wax-on, wax-off scene. With muscle memory, you will shed negative energy like water off a duck's back. What makes it magical is how practical it is. There's no meditation or complicated rituals, just one simple technique you practice each day. With practice, you train your mind to flip from negative reactions to positive responses, until that switch becomes second nature. I know it works because for years, I battled fear of rejection and analysis paralysis. Not good for building a successful business. This practice has saved me hours of spinning my wheels and opened the path to my business success. Imagine your own transformation, responding calmly to angry customers, diving into new challenges without that knot of angst, and watching worry loosen its grip on your day. When your energy is free for what matters most, you make room for more joy and success in your business. If you're ready to cast off the spell of stress and step into a more serene, empowered version of yourself, sign up for an invitation to our next free introduction and our offer to join our risk-free program. Let's make the next chapter of your business feel nothing short of inspired.